Story time.
Little Sun School, there was a girl named Anya who loved to read books, draw rainbows, and water the class plants every morning. She was kind, funny, and loved helping others. But she didn't have a best friend. At lunchtime, she often sat with someone new. Sometimes she played tag with Zoya. Other times, she built blocks with Rishi. And sometimes, she just read quietly on the bench. One day, a classmate named Mira asked, "Who's your best friend, Anya?" Anya smiled. "I don't really have one. I just like being with different people." Mira frowned. "You have to have a best friend." "Everyone does." Anya felt a little flutter in her chest. Was something wrong with her? She looked around. Ayan and Jay were laughing with arms around each other. Tara and Mira were holding hands. But Anya didn't have a hand to hold. She had a watering can and a gentle heart. That afternoon, Anya went to the school garden to help her teacher, Miss Leela, water the plants. She was quiet for a while, then finally said, "Miss Leela, do I need a best friend to belong?" Miss Leela smiled softly and knelt beside her. "Look at this garden, Anya," she said. "Do you see how each flower is different?" Anya nodded. "Some grow in pairs, some bloom all by themselves, but they're all beautiful. The garden needs every kind to grow." Miss Leela continued, "Friendship is like a garden. You don't need just one flower to love. You can water many. Be kind to many. That's how healthy friendships grow. Slowly, gently, and with care." Anya smiled. The next day, instead of feeling sad, she felt free. She read with Rishi under the tree. She played hopscotch with Zoya. She helped Mira tie her shoelaces. And she made space on the bench for anyone who needed it. Over time, she grew a garden of friends. Some close, some quiet, all different, all real. And guess what? She never chose one best friend. She chose to be a good friend, and that was enough.